Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Problems with Article series. In this series, I'm going to cover up with some confusing articles that comes in the exam every now and then. So let's start with part 1. I'm going to write a sentence. Osman Hadi, we all know Osman Hadi, right? Showed the true patriotism. Osman Hadi showed the true patriotism by giving his sacred life, right? Okay, for the country. So here, Osman Hadi, what kind of noun is this? Yeah, it is proper noun, proper noun. But if I write like this, I want to be a or an, tell me, Osman Hadi. I want to be a or an, which one? Yeah, of course, an, because Osman Hadi, a, o. Okay. I want to be an Osman Hadi. Yeah, we all want to be an Osman Hadi because he's an iconic figure right now, and he will be remembered for forever, I guess, in the history of Bangladesh. Okay, so I want to be an Osman Hadi. Here, tell me, Osman Hadi. It is a noun, right? But what kind of noun? Yeah, I want to be an Osman Hadi. Here, Osman Hadi is a common noun. Common noun. So what is the take here? We can write a or an or the. I mean, we can write the article before common noun. We can write article before a common noun. Okay, let me again rephrase it. So the ruling is here. Article plus common noun. Okay, common noun. This one is right, but article plus proper noun, this is not acceptable. We cannot write article before a proper noun. Suppose again, I am giving you an example. The Osman Hadi was a blessing for our country. The Osman Hadi is a blessing for our country. Is it correct? No, because here we cannot write the, because the Osman Hadi here is a proper noun. We are indicating Osman Hadi as a single person who was a blessing for our country. I wanted to write is a blessing for a country, but we know what happened, right? Osman Hadi was a blessing for our country. Thank you.